Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use the index and match functions to look up value in a list and bring corresponding values from the other columns. Okay, so now I will show to you how to use the index and match functions. Before that, we will go look through the data first. What we have is the set of country names and their respective sales. Okay, how many countries we have? About 247 countries. Okay, and 247th country is Zimbabwe. Okay, and it starts from Abkhazia. Okay, and the respective sales in the list. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check for a given country, Albania. I want to do a lookup and bring the respective sales value. Okay, how to do that? Using a index and match function. Okay, before we do this one, I will explain to you what match does and what index does. Okay, now you see match function for a given set of for a given list. Match will bring it will look up a given value in the list and bring the relative position. Okay, for example, if you go for Georgia, if you give Georgia and use the match function to look up for Georgia in the country list, it will tell you it is in the first position. Okay, we just leave out the header. We are not going to use the header in the example now. Okay, similarly for Albania, it is the 5th record. Okay, Zimbabwe is supposed to be the last record, which is 247th record. Okay, let's see how match works. MAPCH. Okay, now you can read the description here. Now returns the relative position of an item in an array. The item is Georgia, Abkhazia, Georgia, and the item in an array is the country list. Okay, what is happening? Let's see. Okay, lookup value is Georgia, Abkhazia, Georgia. Lookup array is the country list. If I give the lookup array the full country list, okay, and the lookup value is Georgia, and match type is I want a exact match. I want to see the exact name in the country list, so which is 0. Okay, match type is 0. Then enter. It says 1. What is 1 here? The first data, this is the data list I use for the country list. So the first position, the Georgia, this record is in the first position. This value is in the first position. Okay, Albania. Match. Lookup value, what value I want to look it up is Albania. Lookup array is country list, from it starts from Georgia up to Zimbabwe, 247th record. The match, what I am going to do is exact match. Enter. You can see Albania's 5th record. It shows here 6th, but if you remove country, then the header, it is 5th record. Okay, similarly for Zimbabwe. Match lookup value is Zimbabwe. Lookup array is full set of countries, 247 records, and do the exact match. Close the bracket, enter. 247. Zimbabwe is in 247th record. Okay, this is how the match works. Okay, how the index works. Okay, let's see how the index works. Okay, index is just the opposite of match. You can very well assume index is opposite of match. When you give the position, it will give the value. Okay, last time we give the Abkhazia, Georgia, it gave the relative position in the array, which is number 1. Albania is 5th position, Zimbabwe is 247th position. Now I'm going to give position 1, what match is going to give, index is going to give, index array, which array? In the country array. This same thing, okay. And the row number, what row number you want to give is the position. Okay, we are not using the column number now. In this case it is only one column. Okay, close it. You can find if you give the position, it gives the name of that value in the position number 1, which is Abkhazia, Georgia. Okay, similarly 247 index array is this, the country names array. In the country names array, if you see the 247th record, which is value is Zimbabwe, which is nothing but the lost record. Okay, now for Albania, okay, Albania, what we are going to do is index array is the same, the country name, for the 5th position if you give, it will return Albania. Okay, so using index, we will know if you pass the position, we will get the name or the value in that position. Okay, now what I am going to do, I want Albania. Okay, I use this match and index functions to get the sales value. So what I'm going to do, this for Albania, I use the match function to get the position. So I'm doing a small trick here. I get the position already for Albania. When I come to index, okay, if I make the array in the same country, I will get the Albania name again. Instead of country, I see the 5th position, I'm going to see in the sales. So automatically Albania's sales will come, because the position we know which position I must check for, because Albania is in the 5th position in the country list. Okay, the same 5th position in the sales is its respective sales. So I'm using the same position to return back the sales value. How to do that? Just you see here, to in the index function, 5th position is Albania here, okay, which is in the D13, that is fine. But instead of country list, country column, I want to look it in the sales column. So what is happening now? 1921, which is nothing but the sales value of Albania. Okay, so how to write the function here? First match the match function to get the position, match lookup value is Albania, lookup array is country list, and a match is the exact match. Okay, this will give the position of Albania. Now I'm going to take the value in the sales array, this same position, using a index. Index array is now sales array. Position, I already found what is the position of Albania in country list, okay, which is already done by match function. I call that one, and using this I will get the total value of Albania. Okay, so you can see here index of the sales, but the position itself is a match function, match of the Albania in country list and exact match. Okay, this is how I'm going to get the sales. Just instead of Albania I put Afghanistan. What happens? You can see 990, or probably I defined a list box here. List of countries. Okay, how to do the list box? Probably you go and click on the cell where do you want the list box of countries. Go to data validation, use the allow list. In the data validation settings, validation criteria is allow list. Come here, the source, you select the full set of country names, then press OK. Then you can find a list box here. Now you select any country name, it will give you the sales value using the index and match function. You select the Zimbabwe is 1680. Okay, remember Zambia is 3169 and Zambia is 3169. Okay, this value, this way you can use the index and match functions to do the lookup. Okay, hope this example is interesting to you and you like my example, and if you like my examples, just subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.